Hello students, how are you all? We have discussed up to question number 6 in the previous video, and question number 7 already I have discussed in measurement of matter part 4.1. If you are not understood, you can watch that video again. So this is also very simple question. So this is there in measurement of matter part 4.1. Now question number 8. Let us discuss last question of this lesson, question number 8. If 0.2 mole of the following substances are required, how many grams of those substances should be taken? Sodium chloride, magnesium oxide and calcium carbonate. So here we required only 0.2 mole of these substances. So how many grams should be taken? We all know that 1 mole of any substance is equal to its molecular weight in grams. So I will tell you how to calculate about sodium chloride. Then you have to do in the same way magnesium oxide and calcium carbonate. So we will calculate how many grams of sodium chloride should be taken for taking it equivalent to 0.2 mole. So let us start. See, given first we are taking about NaCl. Now 0.2 mole of NaCl is given. We have to calculate how much grams should be there in 0.2 moles. So to find mass in grams of 0.2 mole of NaCl, this we have to find. Now solution. So first we require molecular mass of NaCl, because 1 mole is equal to its molecular mass. So if you know the value of 1 mole of NaCl, then you can calculate the value of 0.2 mole of NaCl. So you know that how to calculate molecular mass of NaCl. So molecular mass of NaCl can be calculated by this way: atomic mass of Na into 1, because single sodium is there, then atomic mass of Cl into 1. So here this one. So atomic mass of sodium is 23 into 1, then 23 into 1, plus atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 into 1. So we get here 23 plus 35.5, that is 58.5 units. So atomic mass of this sodium chloride is 58.5 units. So always remember to write U. U means what? Unified mass, that is unit for atomic mass or molecular mass. So now we know how to calculate number of moles. Number of moles can be calculated by the formula weight in grams, that is small m, upon molecular mass, that is capital M. So number of moles already we know, that is 0.2 moles given, and weight in grams we have to calculate, and molecular mass we have calculated just now, that is 58.5 here. Now simply you can cross multiply, because we have to calculate this quantity. So for getting this we have to multiply 0.2 into this one. So weight in grams is equal to 0.2 into 58.5, and this calculation part I will not tell you because it is very simple. So 0.2 into 58.5, you will get answer as 11.7 gram. It means that if you want 0.2 moles of sodium chloride, then you have to take 11.7 gram of sodium chloride. So therefore at last you can write answer like this: mass of 11.7 gram of NaCl should be taken if we want 0.2 mole. Means in short, 0.2 mole is equal to 11.7 gram. 1 mole equal to how much? 58.5 gram. So 0.2 mole equal to 11.7 gram. So in this way you can calculate how much grams should be required of magnesium oxide and calcium carbonate. Thanks students for watching the video. Stay tuned.